Hey Inskillers, did you pay close attention to the previous video on the top 3 qualities of impactful communicators? The point that we covered on active listening may sound easy, but it is one of the toughest skills to master. Despite it is universally lauded, formal teaching on listening skills is quite rare. Today, we aim to deepen your understanding on what a good listening is and provide an evidence-based advice to enhance your listening skills. Active listening encompasses 3 key dimensions: cognitive engagement, emotional presence, and behavioral engagement. Cognitive engagement involves active concentration on all the information, both explicit and implied, being conveyed by the speaker. It is about comprehending and assimilating the information. Emotional presence. Being a good listener entails being composed and empathetic throughout the conversation, even when you are confronted with emotions such as annoyance or boredom. Behavioral engagement. To be an effective listener, you need to convey your interest and understanding both verbally as well as non-verbally. Your body language and the verbal clues should indicate that you are engaged in the conversation. Think of listening as a muscle. It requires regular training, persistence, effort, and most importantly, the intention to be a proficient listener. Here's a quick cheat sheet with 3 practical tips. Number 1, stay attentive. Number 2, show your engagement. And number 3, suspend judgment. Number 1, stay attentive. Eliminate all the distractions. Put away your phone and keep a regular eye contact, demonstrating that you are involved in the conversation. Number 2, show your engagement. Employ non-verbal signals such as smiling, nodding, and an open posture to indicate that you are interested in the discussion. When you show the non-verbal clues and your verbal cues, it reassures the speaker. Suspend judgment. In an active listening, it is crucial that you do not form hasty opinions or prematurely interpret what you hear. Should a judgmental thought creep in, you must acknowledge it and set them aside. If at all, momentarily your attention gets diverted from the conversation, please make sure that you humbly apologize to the speaker and ask the person to repeat, because active listening requires an open mindset. Remember, active listening is a highly valuable skill and it can significantly elevate your communication abilities, fostering stronger relationships both personally and professionally. So, we must remember the 3 practical tips: be attentive, show your engagement, and suspend judgment. Well, now it's time to put all these tips into practice through our group activity. See you.